Welcome to another AIS video lecture. In this video, we'll cover the Peterson model, which is the more complicated Excel exercise that we will do. Peterson is a capital budgeting problem. In a capital budgeting problem, you look at whether to invest or not. The decisions to invest or not depends on whether the net cash inflows outweigh the cash outflows, and you need to discount this by the time value of money. Peterson model requires some prerequisite knowledge. Make sure you are familiar with this knowledge before you continue with this exercise. The first knowledge that you need is the compound growth. The second is the conditional statements or if statement and the NPV and IRR formulas. All this information can be obtained from tutorial or the relevant lecture slides. This video is divided into two parts. In the first part, we'll understand the question, we'll analyze the question, and examine what it requires from us. In the second question, I'll go with you to try the Peterson model. Step 1. Understanding the question. This is the Peterson question. Let's go over it and examine and analyze what the requirements are. So 200,000 is the cost. Is the cost or at year 0. The expected life of the equipment is 5 years. And our model needs to be flexible so that we are able to extend the useful life up to 10 years without having to change any formulas. The salvage value of the equipment at the end of year 5 is 10,000. This means that at the end of 5th year, we are going to sell the equipment. The straight line depreciation rate is 10%. The marginal revenue generated by the project is 110,000, growing at a compound rate of 5% per year. And the marginal cash cost will be 55,000, and again growing by a compound rate of 4%. So I'm going to highlight those important information. Tax is paid or saved at the rate of 30%. That's another information. As you notice this question requires knowledge of compound growth, highlighted in this one and this one. It also requires knowledge of some depreciation, and requires the if statement because you're going to dispose of the asset at year 5. And this if statement, you need to have this because after year 5, there's no more revenue and there's no more cash costs. In the next video, we're going to examine how we are going to tackle the question.